Just wanted to walk you through the floor plan so you can get an idea of the flow of the event and where your delegates will be at all times. This here is the main conference room that we're standing in right now, and I have the room set to your specifications. There's 50 chairs here, theatre style, and a lot of blank canvas space at the back of the room with some of the flip charts set out there for your internal little breakouts. This here is the hallway, literally just right outside that door there, and within a minute you're at the front of the hotel, so that's another access point there. You pass the restaurant on the way, and indeed the bar here, Dan Toomey's bar that I was telling you about with those important comfortable bar stools. This here is the lobby, and this is the heart of the house. There's wonderful little nooks and crannies all throughout this area here where I think your delegates will really get the opportunity to have those one-on-one conversations. And this is the breakout space area here, so literally walk out this door here and there's 5 breakout spaces here, but you only need 3 on this particular occasion. But it's all central and easy to access, and there's another 2 breakout rooms if you need any more just up on the first floor, this stairway bin right here. This is the car park here, and this is more natural light right here.